Hi, my name is Morganne Cieslak. For my prototype project idea, my biggest concern that I'm seeing these days in my classroom is students are not motivated to complete their center work for ELA. So I'm an English language arts and social studies fourth grade teacher. I love social studies. I love reading, writing, everything about ELA. And I really want my students to be more engaged in the content. Our curriculum is not the best. We're supposed to be getting a new curriculum next year. However, I still would like to make the parts of class that aren't necessarily curriculum driven, like center work, when I'm working one-on-one with students or with small groups, what everybody else is doing, instead of just, independent silent reading or doing a free write of a journal entry. I want it to be more modern, contemporary, things that they are interested in doing, things that are different from maybe when I was in elementary school, and those were your only options, were to write or to read independently. So that's what I'm hoping that this course will help me with. I am signed up to do the HTML, CSS, and jQuery module first, and I'm hoping to use my knowledge from that course to create a class website that students can navigate and find their center work. It would be user-friendly, very straightforward. I could edit it weekly. It would be posted. We use Schoology as our kind of educational digital platform, not Google Classroom, but similar to that. So just post our classroom website link in Schoology and they could access it that way. Could have different pages for, I teach 2 classes, so I could have a page for my homeroom and a page for my co-teacher's homeroom as well. So I'm hoping that I can use my skills from that module for developing some sort of interactive class website for center work or homework, things like that. I also signed up to do the flipped classroom module. Again, this is going to be for focusing for exhibiting students' independent work and what they're doing in centers and kind of how they're choosing to exhibit their learning. Are they going to teach us about the theme of the novel that we're doing for our novel study? Are they going to do a script or act out something with our vocabulary words for this week? And I think doing a flipped classroom is really hip and cool these days because the kids are all into social media. So they really like teaching and kind of putting themselves out there, especially on video and things like that. So any way that they can show their learning digitally on the web, they love. So that's what I would like to get them going on for center work, especially. And then the last thing is working with databases. I'm really intrigued to learn more about this module because of how it could help me monitor my students' progress, either through their center work or just progress monitoring in general. Are they completing their work and are they doing so successfully? And if they aren't, then how can I assist them? And what can the database show me that my students need help with that then I can in turn help them with in small group, or we can address everything whole group again. So that's kind of my prototype idea, addressing the motivation for students to do their center work for English language arts specifically by creating a class website that is also a flipped classroom platform where students can show that they are engaged in this center work and really exhibit their learning and make it be fun and engaging for them. And then using some sort of database tracking that I can see their progress. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions or ways I can elaborate and build upon this, please let me know. I am open to it.